Hey guys, and today in this video I'm going to be telling you what kind of sports that I love to play. Okay, so let's get to this video. Okay, so I'll tell you, I like three sports nowadays. And I'll tell you the three sports that I like. Okay, so one of the sports that I currently start liking is tennis. I love the sport tennis and it's really fun to play with. Basically, what you do is you have the tennis racket and you got the little tennis ball, and you can play with anybody and bounce it around. And whoever misses, the other side is gonna get a point. By the way, I even made a video on me playing tennis, in my school. So if you want to check out that video that I make, of course, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. But I played tennis, around 1.5 months ago. This is when I played tennis. So this is number one. Number two, another sport that I like is swimming. I love swimming. I've been swimming ever since I was little, and ever since I just started to love it. Swimming is my favorite sport. And we also have basketball, which I love basketball. It's another one of my favorite sports. You got the basketball, you dribble it and bounce it around, and then you throw it into the hoop. When you throw into the hoop, you get a point. So this is what it's about here. And I'll tell you about swimming. When you swim, this is in water, and you have all types of moves that you can do when you're swimming. There are all types of moves and tricks that you can do. And me personally, I've done a few tricks. I've done the rolling, I've done the crawling, and so on. This is what I've done when I was in swimming. And tennis, I use the tennis racket and bounce the ball around on the wall, bounce it on the walls and get a point each, or I bounce it around to get a point and bounce it and flip the racket and get 2 points each. So this is what I've done, with those sports. And I'll get to the conclusion. Okay, so in conclusion, I love to play sports, especially my three favorite sports, the tennis and swimming and basketball. These are my favorite sports to play with. And of course, playing sports is good for your health. So guys, I recommend you guys to play sports if you can, because playing sports is good for your health. And watching TV and playing video games all the time is not good for your health. So keep that in mind. And alrighty guys, so that is me telling you my favorite sports to play with. And as you can see, I'm on the balcony and it tends to get noisy sometimes, because I'm outside. And the weather is pretty good, It's kind of chilly and pretty windy, but it's not bad. The weather is pretty nice. Anyways, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video that I make, and make sure to hit the like button and make sure you share if you can. And also, that'd be really great if you guys continue to support me. Alrighty, guys, so that is it, and I will see you guys again in the next one.